afternoon, I'm Josh and welcome to the BBC School News Report. Today we'll be looking at all of the latest headlines.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Tegan.
And we're presenting the Northfield BBC School Report. Our first topic is Mr Burgess being nominated for the prestigious award. The Test School Award celebrates and rewards the extraordinary innovations, dedication and hard work of those school individuals and teams who every day are making a real difference to the lives of future generations. The science teacher, Mr Burgess, is one of those people. Jacob and Josh interviewed him to see what he thought about getting this wonderful award.
I feel pretty humble, really. The fact that my peers and my colleagues and the people I work with every day have seen fit to nominate me for the National Teacher of the Year award is it sort of left me speechless, really. I look around in this school and there are dozens of exceptional teachers in this school who I look at every day and think, I wish I could do that. I wish I could be like them.
Then we asked the judges what was the importance of the teaching award.
The schools are not of good if they have people who are recognised for their excellence and their ability. I think it does individual teachers a lot of good as well. It does staffs a lot of good. And I think it's also very good for children to realise that their teachers are appreciated, and also the parents. I think basically it can only raise the profile of the teaching profession.
Welcome back. Our next story is on Bradley Walker.
Bradley Walker, an ex-Northfield school student, signed a professional contract with Hartlepool United last summer and since then has been elected for an England under-18 training camp, been nominated and won League Two Apprentice of the Year award, scored 3 goals and had 27 appearances for Hartlepool. We asked Brad himself and how he felt on winning Apprentice of the Year, and this is what he said.
I was overwhelmed. To be nominated was one thing, and then to get there and win the award was very good for me, and it was a very proud moment for me, myself and the family.
What's the best player you've ever played with in life?
The best player I've ever played with? At the moment I would say Luke Williams, plays for Middlesbrough. He came, joined us on loan, and he was one step ahead of everyone really. He was very good.
Who's your inspiration?
I've got to say Steven Gerrard. Just the way he plays and the career he's had, he's just a great role model for all young footballers coming through ranks.
The next story we will be presenting is the £2.7 million library that is being built on the Billingham Town Centre. The library will be more modern than any of the other libraries and will bring lots of opportunities for Billingham and the people that live there. The building work has started and is due to finish sometime in 2015. I interviewed Lucy Curtin and this is what she said.
And the plans that I've seen for the new library look really, really impressive. It's going to be there's going to be a joint service offer. So not only will there be a library with new books, a new ICT, and lots of different things on offer there, right in the heart of the town centre, but there will be customer services there. So and there'll also be council offices there. So it's really a combined offer of services that's going to be right in the heart of the town centre, which I think is a really positive thing for the community.
Now we'll be talking to you about the Seaside to Tanzania project that Northfield School are doing to raise money for the Tanzania children that are less fortunate than ourselves. Here is what Miss Dickinson had to say about it.
Well, Seaside to Tanzania, first of all, is working with the Grassroots Company to enable students in Tanzania to be able to get to and from school really easily, rather than having to walk so many miles per day. We're going to provide them with bikes. So in order to be able to do that, each tutor group was given the task of raising £50 each.
Are you proud of how much money we've raised?
Absolutely proud. We've raised £917 so far, and we've still got tutor groups to take part in fundraising activities.
Now over to Robert with the latest sports headlines.
Welcome to BBC School Report Sports News at Northfields. On Saturday, Arsenal suffered a 6-0 defeat to Chelsea. Manager Arsene Wenger was very disappointed and called the match a nightmare and took full responsibility for their loss. Jose Mourinho, Chelsea manager, called Wenger a specialist in failure. Wenger hoped to prove him wrong at Saturday's match. He failed miserably. Northfield School Under-16 girls table tennis team won their third national title at Hinckley Leisure Centre in Leicester. The boys also got through, but could only manage 4th place. On the 4th of April, the girls will be in France, playing at the World Championships. We wish them luck. Last night, Sunderland faced Liverpool, where they narrowly lost 2-1. Steven Gerrard scored a late first-half free kick from 23 yards, and Sturridge netted early in the second half to make it 2-0 to the Merseyside team. It was too little too late when Sunderland striker Key scored in the 76th minute. Now to Emma with the weather.
In the northeast, this morning began with sunny intervals at 5 to 6 degrees Celsius and occasional heavy showers. Tonight, after 5 o'clock, temperatures will drop back down to 6 degrees with light rain and thick cloud. High temperatures are in the south of 12 degrees and lowest in the north of 7 degrees. Overall, a very cool and breezy day, becoming drier in the evening. Now I'll pass you back to Josh in the newsroom.
Tegan and Sam for the latest headlines.
In other news, new dwarf planet Discovery pushes back final frontier. Chris Lintott, an astronomer, says it's very hard to get something into those orbits, and these are larger things out there that could have had an influence.
The redevelopment of Billingham Town Centre has finally taken shape as a joint project between Stockton Council and Stockland UK. Many people believe it looks a lot better and is easier to get around, but many questions if it's worth all the money spent.
In a brand new production, Simon Cowell and Psycho Entertainment have cooperated to make I Can't Sing. The musical will hit West End in 2014.
Over and out! Yeah!